Hello friends, in this video we will learn how to make a ice cream powder and what is the formula behind it. But before that, I would like you to subscribe my YouTube channel for getting the updates of more such videos. So let's begin. For making 200 grams of ice cream powder, we will be requiring these things. First is sugar of a fine powder around 100 grams. Second is milk powder around 100 grams. And the third is sodium bicarbonate. It is also known as baking soda around 5 grams. And the fourth is potassium metabisulfite. It acts as a preservative in your ice cream powder. Around 2 grams will be requiring. And the fifth thing is any food essence, whichever you want, respective to the flavor of ice cream. I am using vanilla food essence because I am preparing vanilla ice cream powder. Around 5 ml we will be requiring and an empty bowl with a stirring spoon. So let's start the process. Firstly, we will add fine powder sugar around 100 grams to our empty bowl. Secondly, we will add milk powder around 100 grams to our bowl. Thirdly, we will add sodium bicarbonate or baking soda around 5 grams to our bowl. And fourthly, we will add potassium metabisulfite. It acts as a preservative. Around 2 grams we will add to our bowl. And fifthly or lastly, we will add food essence. I am using vanilla food essence because I am preparing vanilla ice cream powder. Around 5 ml we will add to our bowl. And now we will stir our whole mixture. We will mix it very well. After mixing well, we will see our ice cream powder is ready in quantity of 200 grams. It's basically a vanilla ice cream powder. We prepared it in just quantity of 200 grams. But if you want to prepare in large quantity, just increase the ingredient quantity in the same ratio. And now we will just pack this ice cream powder in a packet like this. And your ice cream powder is ready to be used and to be sold in the market. It's really a very high quality ice cream powder. And we prepare it at a very low cost. So those who want to do the business of it, they can even do a business of it and can earn a huge profit from it. It's really a high profitable business idea, especially in summer season. So friends, now you came to know how it's so simple to prepare a ice cream powder with just the help of 5 things. So friends, I hope you like this video, and if you like this video, please do subscribe my YouTube channel also for getting the updates of more such videos. Thank you and stay connected.